Okay, this special little video is for people who took the quiz 1217, maybe missed something, and want to get that score up to a 45. I should have on your paper marked what you missed. Hopefully you could see. For you to get full credit, you're going to need to show the work for all of this to get your full credit. Focus on the one that you missed and show me you listen by writing the 5 words. Again, this is only for people who took the quiz. You're the only people getting a link to this video. Let me know if this is not working. Hopefully. All right, here we go. First one, and the first word is good. Good. This one wants +2 rounded, rounded infinity to the right. This guy is the first one I'm going to pick because it starts at 2. Arrow going off to the right, that would be rounded to infinity. So this one is golden. The second one though, no good, because even though it starts at 2 and it is going off to positive infinity, that's square bracket to infinity, so that one's no good. This one, another one, from 2 to the right, square bracket to positive infinity. Notice both these have positive infinity because it's going off to the right. This one is 0 square bracket infinity. Don't pick that one. This one is rounded 0 positive infinity. Don't pick that. This one though is the second good choice. Starting at 2, going to the right, that makes that positive infinity. Rounded to infinity. That one right there. Second word is luck. Luck. All right, next one. For the domain, I was only looking for these x values. If you gave me anything else, I marked you wrong. 2, 4, 6, 7. Anything else, I marked you wrong. If you gave me a coordinate, I marked you wrong. If you gave me the y values, I marked you wrong. All right, this one, solving for g. Take away this 28. Bring that 4g down. Set it equal to p minus 28. Divide by 4. Some of you, when you're dividing, that 4 magically turned into a 3. Some of you were starting to get your notes mixed up with this example. Some of you, when you divided this out, forgot to divide both those. That 4 goes into the p, that 4 divides into the negative 28. So really, that gives me p over 4 minus 28 over 4. That gives me negative 7 equals g. And then the way they really write that is g equal p over 4 minus 7. Some of you forgot to write that over 4. Third word is study. Study. This one right here is really weird, but let me show you what I was looking for. This first step, I distributed to get 12a minus 18 equal 10a plus 10. But this property says I use the addition property. That's incorrect. Next step, from that in blue to the one in red, looks like I'm taking away 10a on both sides, minus 10a minus 10a. That is subtraction. Correct. But for my next step, from that red to the green, I'm adding 18 right there. It's saying addition, but really if I added 18, that wouldn't have gave me 8. That would have gave me 28. Because I don't see 28 right there, that's incorrect. And then from the green to the black, 2a equal 8 to a equal 4. I'm not subtracting. That would give me a equals 6. That's division. It doesn't say division here. So that one's incorrect too. Kind of weird on that. That's what I was looking for. Fourth word, puppy. Gotta have a puppy. All right, this one. Minimum of 5, negative 2. For this one, the way I wrote it, that is the only answer out of all these that is good. That is the minimum, yes. Minimum at negative 2, 1 right here. Nope. Maximum at 2, -3 right there. Nope. Maximum of -1, 1 right there. Nope. If I would have said maximum at 2, 3, you would have said yes, but that one's not there. All right, now where it's increasing, this little stretch right here, from -2 to -1 looks like it's going up from -2 to -1. Don't pick this one because it's got +2 in there. And then the other stretch goes from -1 to +2 on the x-axis. -1 to +2. Not -1 to -2. And then your decreasing sections got this section right here from +2 to +3. Don't pick this one, got negative. And then the other one from 4 to +5. And some of you are saying -5, but that's not -5 on the x-axis. From 4 to 5, positive. Here we go. Last one and the last word. Interval notation measured left to right for domain from here to the right. And some of you, again, you look at that arrow and you're like, -infinity going down. I got a lot of you. Nope. That arrow is going to the right. And anything measured left to right is +infinity if it's going to the right. This arrow is going to the right. So that would be from -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7 with a square bracket because of that solid circle. And then anything going to the right, +infinity. So that's the only one. This bad choice has -7, -infinity. This bad choice has rounded on the -7. Be careful for those little nuances. And then the last one, this one from bottom to top, a little bit harder, but range measured bottom to top. If the arrow is going down, that is -infinity. So for my range, I do have -infinity because this arrow going downhill, there's no bottom to it. So that would be -infinity if you're measuring from bottom to top up to the top part right here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is square bracket because that's a solid circle up there. Only one that's good. Negative solid circle. This one has a rounded bracket to fake you out. This one has +infinity to fake you out. Last word is infinity. Good luck. Those of you who want to make up that 45, show me all the work, all those words, if you want those 45. If not, keep your score. Good luck.